In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called calculating mass concentration. It looks like there's only one version of this problem. I looked at about 10 different examples. They all appear to be the same. ALEKS is going to provide you with a mass of a solute. It's also going to provide you with a volume of solution, and it asks you to calculate the concentration of the solution. Now, here's where the problem is going to vary from one person to another. The units that ALEKS is asking for you to use to calculate the concentration are going to vary from one person to another, so you definitely need to pay attention to the units that ALEKS has provided in the problem. For me, it is grams per deciliter, and specifically that is referring to the grams of the solute, and it is referring to the volume in deciliters of the total solution. So, but again, you need to pay attention to the units that are in your problem because they may not be grams per deciliter. You're going to need to use whatever unit ALEKS is asking you to use. So this is, for my problem, this is the setup that I want. ALEKS has provided me with the mass of the solution. It is 29.20 grams, and those units are correct for me, but pay attention to yours, they may not be correct. And then 250 milliliters, that's my solution volume. 250 milliliters is not the right unit for this particular problem. My unit needs to be in deciliters, not in milliliters. So I need to do a metric to metric conversion. Now for me personally, when I'm converting from one prefixed metric unit to another, like converting from milliliters into deciliters, I think that it is easier to convert from the prefixed unit back to the base non-prefixed unit, and then to convert from the base unit into the new prefixed unit. So instead of converting directly from milliliters into deciliters, I'm going to go from milliliters into liters, and then from liters into deciliters. That's just easier for me. Milli is 10 to the minus 3, and deci is 10 to the minus 2. And so that is going to give me, I believe, 25 deciliters. But to be totally honest with you, I don't trust my brain, so I am going to actually put this into the calculator and make sure that it is correct. And that is, I did it correctly, yay. So 25 deciliters is my volume, 29.2. I do think that it's possible, even though I didn't actually see any examples of this, I do think that it's possible that ALEKS might try to give you, instead of giving you the solute mass, maybe it would give you the solute moles and ask you to convert from moles into grams. That's a possibility. I didn't see that happen. Either way, no matter what, definitely pay attention to the units that are in the answer box for you, and just make sure that you are matching those units up with the units that ALEKS has provided. It says, I want to do this to 3 significant figures. So that means that my answer to 3 sig figs is going to be 1.17 grams per deciliter.